All right. It's your boy Reed. It's another great day. It's a Thursday. That's always a good day. Thursday is a good day to make a video. All right. We got another one of these Kibrys. This one right here is just the vacuum by itself. I think it's the same model as the others. The one I tested the other day. The only thing that I noticed different about this was, and how you can really tell it's different is, this piece right here on the other one was red, and this is that's the only thing I noticed that was different just looking at them briefly. But I just wanted to show you that it's working. It's a used vacuum just like the other one was. I've already got it plugged in here. Let's see. It pulls real good. It's not even in, I hadn't even put it in the dry mode yet, and it's already just moving easy. As we've talked about, you can pull it down. Now you can probably hear it and feel it scrubbing that rug a little bit better right there like that, okay? And I'm telling you, man, these things, they just glide across. This one here is special. This one doesn't have any smell to it like I was talking about. This one's definitely used, but it's I hate to say it's clean because it's, it's probably got hairs in it and stuff like that, but it doesn't smell. I mean, this thing here is walking away from me. Oh, it was in dry. My bad. It was in dry, but this thing still, even in neutral, this thing, it'll get away from you. Now, you want to lift it back up. I'll turn it off. Let me see if I can lock the handle here, which I should be able to do like that. So I can tilt it. Yep, I'm getting to where I learned how to work these things. Same thing, it's a model G10D, just like the others that we had. You can see there's hairs, it's been used. This one's been put to work, and but it's working good. That's why I wanted to show, and maybe I can, hopefully I can take these outside maybe and get some better pictures than what I had of that one the other day. I know the pictures are horrific. Things like this are kind of hard to get good pictures of. But anyway, I just wanted to make a video right quick to show you that this is working. And I think you could tell.